Inside this Humboldt Park apartment, 4 children, including a 4-month-old baby, spent Monday trying to cope with the extreme heat without air conditioning. The family relied on little more than a fan and an open window to find relief.
She is very scared for the kids, and it's like, since it's so hot, they have to shower like consistently just to like cool themselves off from all the heat.
This donated air conditioner couldn't have come at a better time. Matt Morales helped deliver the unit to the 3rd floor walk-up, giving the family a much-needed break from the extreme temperatures.
She's more grateful to have it for the kids since, you know, like she's older, she's able to withstand the heat a little bit more, but all these kids are younger.
And we're going to give out a few more tomorrow.
Robert Maggett, a Chicago restaurant owner, is the man behind the giveaway.
It's not something that's really changing a life, but it's just helping make their lives a little easier.
Maggett bought and is donating more than 30 air conditioners this week.
That's why I'm doing it, right? I just can't imagine living in a place, especially for those that have children or the elderly that have to try to deal with it.
And city officials are urging people to take this heat seriously. So far this year, the Department of Buildings says it's received nearly 200 air conditioning related complaints.
Apartments with 100 or more units must provide air conditioning in all units.
City leaders recommend staying indoors whenever possible, and if you don't have air conditioning,
keep your shades drawn and blinds closed, but do keep your windows slightly open.
And for those fortunate enough to get their hands on a free air conditioner during this brutal heat wave,
thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Have a good one.
I was gonna have to make do with the fan, but this is gonna make a real big difference.
Be a little easier to sleep tonight?
Man, a lot easier.
Charlie DeMar, CBS News, Chicago.